Hi guys, it's Tammy, and I don't know if you guys have ever heard of the Amazon sample boxes, but I went ahead and ordered one. Now my son is going to college this fall, and I want to be able to send him some fun things, and I thought that this would be perfect. So when I started to open it, I stopped right away because I wanted you guys to be able to see it. Now, with the sample box, apparently, after you've purchased it, it was $10, and then after you've purchased it, I can use $10 to buy something else that's in this sample, from what I understand. So I can use this, I bought this, and then anything in here that I really like, I can go to Prime and purchase $10 worth for free. Like, they give it to you as a freebie. So that's pretty cool. So these are all like different sample-y things of different foods, and I know that my son, being in college, is going to want some snacks, and I think he will get a kick out of stuff like this. So I'm not telling him about this yet, but I will send it to him once he gets there, and he's going in July. So I know I'm still early. It's just May, so I know I'm still early, but I want to make sure that I take care of my boy. So I thought, you know what, it's not too early to get this stuff. It will still be good. This is Tangerine Vanilla Cashew Macadamia Glazed Mix. Holy cow, I bet that is good. It started with a creamy orange and vanilla frozen ice pop. The smooth vanilla and bright citrus flavors were the perfect treat for a lazy summer day. We reimagined this classic combination by pairing pure ground Madagascar vanilla bean and tangerine with crunchy cashews and buttery macadamia nuts. Beyond ordinary. Yum. So that looks really good. I think he'll like that. I know, I don't even know what this is, but I know because it says this, he will love it. So this is Doritos Crunch Mix, nacho cheese flavored, and looks like some interesting things in here. Oh, here, there's crunch nut, pretzel bites, puffs, 3D triangles, and corn sticks. So the packaging is interesting, and I think he will like that. This was $1.99 just for it, so I'm sure he will like that. Ooh, these are vegan hip peas, vegan white cheddar, organic chickpea puffs. We don't follow the rest of the snack pack, we go our own way. We think tastes good and do good can be in the same sentence. Join us to change things for the better, one chickpea at a time. I may actually send this one to my daughter because she is vegetarian, and she probably would like this snack a little bit better. And there's really, I think there's 3 puffs in here. There's hardly anything in here, so it's kind of a, I don't know. I'll probably leave it in here, but I may end up sending that one to Katie. And here is Milano dark chocolate. I can tell one of them's broken. Hopefully it's just one. So it's Milano dark chocolate on the go. I don't know if my son likes dark chocolate either. Yeah, this is good through August 26th. So I'll have to see if he likes dark chocolate. I may send this with Katie too if he does not. Ooh, here's one of those RXBARs. 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, no BS, chocolate sea salt. And that's the flavor of this. I've heard great things about these. I haven't ever had one. Here is chewy banana bites, browned perfectly. The super potassium snack. Huh. Ooh, they look good. Look at that. Pure dried coconut, chewy banana, browned perfectly. It all started in 1981 when my dad started dehydrating bananas from our backyard in southern Brazil. Today I am proud to share my Pa's secret, made with made from sustainably grown organic bananas, upcycled at the source. Interesting. So that is super potassium snack. And then we have another RX bar. This one's a chocolate chip, 2 egg whites, 4 almonds, 5 cashews, 1 date, no bad stuff. And here is a plant protein bar by Power Bar, 11 grams of protein, dark chocolate, peanut butter flavored. So let's see what the stats are on this. 230 calories for the bar, 14 grams of fat, 22 carbs, 7 of those are fiber, 10 of those are sugar, and 11 proteins. So this isn't what I would call a bariatric protein bar, but my son can eat it. And then, oh, he will love these, although I think they're probably pretty crushed. Blaze Doritos. He actually has a friend named Blaze. Isn't that fun? There's 3 servings in here, 12 chips, or probably more like 60 pieces of chip, 17 carbs, 1 fiber, and 2 proteins. So, yeah, it's very crushed, but I don't know. All in all, I think it's a pretty cool box for 20 bucks. I don't know, or for 10 bucks, and you get $10 back in free stuff. I think that it's worth it for him. I think that he will get a kick out of it, and I think I will have fun sending it to him. So there is that. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.